Have you ever faced a problem where you have to quickly figure out the minimum number of steps to make all items unique? Today, we're solving a fun and simple Codeforces problem that sharpens your logic and Python skills. Let's dive in. Hi. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm a software engineer with 5+ years of experience, passionate about helping you solve Codeforces problems smarter. Subscribe for practical tips and skill growth. The problem is called A. Is your horseshoe on the other hoof? Here's the scenario. A horse is getting ready for a party and wants to wear a different colored horseshoe on each of its 4 legs. If some of the horseshoes are the same color, the horse needs to buy new ones to ensure all 4 are unique. Your task is to determine the minimum number of new horseshoes the horse must buy to achieve this. Let's look at the first example from the problem. Input 1, 7, 3, and 3. Output 1. Why? Because the horse already has 3 unique colors, 1, 7, and 3. But since the 4th horseshoe has the same color as another, the horse needs to buy 1 new horseshoe to have 4 unique colors. Problem complexity. The problem A, is your horseshoe on the other hoof, is relatively straightforward and falls into the easy category on Codeforces with rate 800. It involves basic operations on arrays and sets, making it perfect for beginners. Here's why. Input size. The input always contains exactly 4 integers representing the colors of the horse's horseshoes. Since the input size is constant, 4, the problem doesn't scale with larger inputs, which makes it very simple to handle. Logic. The task involves identifying duplicate numbers among 4 integers, which is a simple logical check. To solve this problem efficiently, first, we'll use Python set to identify unique colors from the input list of horseshoes. Then calculate how many colors the horse already has by taking the size of the set. Finally, subtract the number of unique colors from 4, which gives the minimum number of new horseshoes needed. Now, let's solve an example with input 1, 7, 3, and 3. Start with the input list 1, 7, 3, 3. Convert it into a set 1, 7, 3. The set has 3 unique colors, so we calculate 4 minus 3. The output is 1. This means the horse needs to buy 1 new horseshoe. Here's the code to solve the problem. Input split t takes the input and split it as a list of horseshoe colors. Set n removes duplicates, leaving only the unique colors. Len set zeras calculates how many unique colors the horse already has. 4 minus len set sess gives us the number of new horseshoes the horse needs to buy. With just 2 lines of code, the problem is solved. Complexity of code. The solution. Time complexity. The solution uses a few operations. Splitting input input 1 split processes the input string into a list. Splitting a string of length n has a time complexity of on. In this case, the input is very small, just 4 numbers, so this step is effectively O1. Converting to set CEs removes duplicates from the list. For a list of length n, creating a set has a time complexity of on. Here, with 4 elements, this is effectively O1. Finding length of the set, or len set s, computes the size of the set, which is a constant time operation O1. Subtraction. 4 len set s is a basic arithmetic operation with constant complexity O1. Overall, the time complexity of the solution is on, but since the input size is fixed at 4, the practical complexity is effectively O1. And just like that, we submitted the code, and it passed all test cases on Codeforces. The horse is ready for the party with perfectly matching unique shoes. This problem shows how Python's built-in data structures, like sets, can simplify tricky problems in elegant ways. Now, You know how to help a horse look its best at a party. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more coding challenges. Don't forget to drop your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Keep practicing problems like this to sharpen your coding and problem-solving skills. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.